Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas.
All right, so this is what I have for our bathroom, and honestly most of this I already had from last year. Let's see, I think the only things that are new this year are this little wooden present and tree shelf type thing. This I think just sits in the corner, and then this one can sit or hang, and also this glass cake stand. All three of those things were in the Target like bullseye area this year, and then these are from Target this year, which I'm sure they probably have always carried those. And then this Mary sign is actually from Walmart this year, and it was $10 and it lights up. I just have to get batteries in it, but everything else is from last year. I'm not 100% which one of these I'm going to use in there. I don't think I need both. So obviously the present like is a little bit more along the lines of the overall vibe, but I don't know what else I'll do with this tree if I don't use it in there. So we'll see. These things here were from the Target dollar spot last year, and honestly I kind of think that their dollar section last year, I guess you can't call it a dollar spot, what is it, bullseye, because it's 1, 3, and 5, but I thought it was so cute last year, and they had some cute stuff this year, but not nearly like this stuff was awesome last year. And then this stuff looks a lot like that, but it's from Dollar General, I think, last year. I have not stepped foot in that store this year. I don't know if they have this stuff or what they have at all. It's probably a good thing because I really don't need to spend any more money, but like this was $1. How cute is that? And it matches so perfectly with the other things. This little countdown is just a magnetic little tree that you slide throughout the week. It was $4 last year. Lord knows if they do have this stuff, it's probably all like $1. Like so cute. It's probably all more expensive this year though, is what I was gonna say. But yes, so Dollar General. These are just some hand towels that I think were from Target once upon a time. And then actually I think these two were from Walmart, and then this one, I don't know, they might all be from Walmart. I don't remember because I got them last year, maybe even the year before. And then the shower curtain and the bath mat were from Walmart last year, and they were each $5 a piece. And I have not seen any $5 bathroom set stuff this year, so that's a bummer because it was such a good deal. I think the two-piece towels, that was also $5 last year. So anyways, just wanted to do a little overview so that I could tell y'all where you might be able to look for some of these things. Like I said, I have not been to Dollar General this year, so I can't make any promises, and this stuff is most definitely old from last year from Target, but they do have some cute stuff this year. So yeah, anyways, I think that's it. Let's just go ahead and jump into the decorating because I'm so excited for y'all to see how this bathroom turns out. It's so cute and magical for the kids. I kind of struggled a little bit to get the sink area set up, and I don't know why, because I did it all last year, but I guess I just didn't really remember what exactly I did. So I ended up just like wrapping it up towards the end and finishing it off camera, and it all still turned out super cute, so it's all good. But anyway, let's talk about my picture hanging skills here for a minute, because as you can see, I am a professional. Not really, but I figured I might as well say something about it, because I know some of y'all are going to be watching this and be like cringing because I didn't bust out the what do you call it? See, I don't even know what it's called. The little thing with the bubble. Balance. Is it a balance? That doesn't feel right. Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. The thing that tells a level, the thing that tells you if the picture's level. There we go. I didn't bust out the level because I never do. I always eyeball it, and it works for me, and sometimes it doesn't, and I try like 47 times until it does. So yeah, I actually got it on the first try this time though, and I was really proud of myself, and it came out super cute. So yay for less holes in the wall. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you think this bathroom is super cute, because I for sure do, and my kids love it too, I'm pretty sure. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're like me and you're kind of still decorating, or if you had it done the day after Halloween, like I feel like the rest of the world, or at least the rest of YouTube. But that's okay. Better late than never. Also, I've been posting a lot of shorts. Those have been working pretty well for me, so feel free to check those out. I'm planning on posting pretty much every single day through the holidays. So I'm really new to YouTube. I've mentioned this before in previous videos, so all of the interaction helps me out so much, and I really appreciate it. So leave me all the comments, all the thumbs up. Please subscribe. I've got tons more decorating content coming, since, like I said, I'm just now getting into it. And I hope that I will see y'all in the next one. And thank you for watching. Bye.